Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. So you know it's Rush, the Discovery Boss, with another driving video for you guys. So if you're new to the channel, what do we do on this channel? We record everything Jamaican. So it's driving videos, city drive, community drive, rain drive, night drive. We also record and keep an update on new projects, new construction, whether it's commercial or residential. We take a look at other important infrastructures like highways. So whatever positive development is happening in Jamaica, we try to keep an eye on it. So that's what we do on the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, be a part of the channel. Also turn on your notification bell, so once a new video is up, you guys will be notified. Remember to like, comment and share as well. So we're currently at Pricesmart, Redills Road. Well, we're leaving Pricesmart. We were on the roof parking, the upper parking. Parking was once a nightmare. So a nightmare here. It was horrible back in the days, so they had to create now the parking on the roof to assist. It has done a good job, to be honest, because right now downstairs is full, upstairs is full. So you can just imagine if we didn't have upstairs to park, it would be chaotic. Traffic here still is chaotic on major public holidays like Christmas. Traffic is crazy. They have to use police to help direct traffic. With the construction of the Pricesmart Portmore, that has also helped a bit to reduce the traffic here as well. But even with Portmore, most time Redills Road is still full, because I believe you won't have a lot of people leaving from Kingston to go to Portmore. But the contrast is, a lot of people that are already living in Portmore will go to the one in Portmore. So I think Portmore Pricesmart really serves Portmore and St. Catherine, but a lot of customers do reside in Kingston that won't go that far. So back to the driving. So we're driving from Pricesmart, Redills Road, and we are going to drive from here onto Boulevard. So we'll end the video on Boulevard. So this is Redills Road we're approaching now. Quite a few wholesale out this side, stalls as well that sell food, ground food production, yam, banana, that sort of stuff. So it's like a market out here. And at night the entire strip is jerk chicken, jerk pork. So you have some market produce right here. Wholesale bar, another commercial entity. I think most of Redills Road though, especially from Half a Tree coming straight to Portmore, most of Redills Road is commercial. You already find residential lots on the main. Probably after Pricesmart going down now to the foot of Redills Road, you'll see some houses from that end. So this is also a very trafficy road. So most time there is traffic. Pricesmart was one of the culprits for the traffic, but not all the time. So we just passed St. Richard's Primary on the left. So if any of you guys ever attended that primary school, let us know in the comment section. And then we have Sunrise Crescent on the right. Guys, feel free to leave your comments. Again, different plazas on the left, on the right, different business places. Some of the jerkmen out already. They say Reddy's Road is the best place for jerk chicken. What do you guys think? Do you guys agree? And if you guys have ever experienced the Reddy's Road jerk chicken before, just let me know in the comment section as well. So we have Reddy's Road Hotel on the right, and then Reddy's Mall coming up on the right as well. Over here. So that's Reddy's Mall, Island Grill, Mayfair Pharmacy, Mexi Department Store, Central Medical. So those are some of the places over there. So we're approaching Lee's Food Fair. So that's on the left, and we have Burger King on the right. So that's a pharmacy and supermarket. You have a very new plaza, one that I've covered on the channel before. It's now fully open. So you have restaurants over there, you have a call center over there. I think what I'll do, I'm just gonna drive over there and then I end the video. So that's what I'm gonna do. So it's 76 Red Hills Road Business Center. So 76 RHR Business Center. This is Kingston 20. So Sutherland Call Center, one of the major. They're in the top 3 for sure. They could also be, could be one of the biggest, yes. call center in Kingston. So this is their new office. They have relocated from a few locations. Over here you have Starbucks, you have Scotia ATM. We have a Chinese restaurant. We're gonna turn here. It's a pretty new plaza. See even electrical charging station for electric vehicle. So the Sutherland building is about 3 floors. I wonder how many employees it can hold. So we're gonna take the left here, take a look around this side. Alright, so around here is probably where the food establishments are. So there's a juicy patty here as well, didn't know. Maxi department store. Starbucks has gotten so popular in Jamaica. Most time nowadays Starbucks is fuller than even KFC. You know KFC is always full. You have a little Tokyo, pharmacy, health places. So I think this plaza is a very good addition to this area. This land was a big empty land before with a few cars on it, a few cars being sold. So it wasn't being properly utilized. So honestly, I think this is a very welcome change. I'll show you guys a glimpse. So yeah, that's a glimpse of the plaza section. That's the call center over there. Alright guys, so thanks so much for clicking on this video. Thanks for driving with me today. Remember to like, comment and share. Really appreciate the support guys. So thanks again and I'll see you on another video.